Alright, so here's another cool truck at the Alex Line auction today. It's an AM General M818. It's a 5-ton. And everything about this truck is just Spartan. And I guess for a pure military truck, that's what you would expect. Take these axles and put them on the bottom of your Jeep Wrangler, and you can be a real off-roader. It's listed as a multi-fuel engine, so there's a lot of stories about these trucks about what they can actually run on. Diesel, gas, some type of jet fuel, kerosene. I don't know too much about them, so I can't really speak to the validity of those claims, but everything about these trucks is set up for young 18 to 25-year-old males. There is no room between this seat and that steering wheel for any type of beer belly. But once again, it's a military truck, so that makes sense. So you can see over there, it's 5-ton 6x6 M818 AM General. It's got all the, more than any other vehicle, these military trucks are just loaded with all types of warning labels, information labels. We got a transfer case with a high-low 5-speed. And look at the speeds there. 5th, you're at 25 miles an hour. And you better believe you know it if you're on 5th. With these wheels and this suspension setup, you're feeling everything. This has the removable hardtop, which is neat. Out back it's set up as a tractor trailer, 5th wheel. I don't know the exact connotation for what these tires are referred to as, but I'm just going to call them military truck tires because that's exactly what they are. To me, you know, you don't ever see these on any other type of vehicle. Probably for good reason. Got your glad hands and your spare up there. Put your jerry can there. Got your air cleaner. This is a pretty cool rig. Perfect for storming Area 51. If you're anybody under the age of 20, you probably know what that means. Anybody else, forget it.
Same thing.
Got plenty of room for batteries.
I realized that I forgot my sneakers at home. I walked up to that yesterday.
So there's a few other things at this auction. Maybe we'll see them, maybe we won't. I really like this exhaust cut out through the fender here. That's great. Just everything about these trucks is just get it engineered, make it. It doesn't have to look pretty. It's got to be serviceable and durable. Well, there may be more in this series, there may not be, but if you enjoyed what you saw, please feel free to leave a comment, share, and subscribe, and catch you guys later.